The journey to becoming foster parents and the challenges the Department of Child Services is facing.
Right now, there are 14,000 children in the Indiana foster care system. Our Stephanie Wade sits down with a couple desperate to add to their family and what it's been like for them trying to get approved for fostering.
So tonight we take an inside look at the process for getting approved to foster or adopt.
Thousands of children are in foster care in Indiana, many of which are waiting to be adopted. And those who are willing and eager to open their homes to these children say they're confused and, quite frankly, frustrated that it takes so long to get approved as foster parents.
We have a 4.5-year-old named Maxwell, and he is amazing. He is funny. He is kind.
Michael Nichols and Wade Johnson want to become foster parents for the right reasons.
To have a family.
To have our own family and to do it right.
They adopted their first child, Maxwell, through a private adoption agency, but opted to try fostering through the Department of Child Services, hoping it will lead to the adoption of their second.
You know that there are challenges, but you're like, I'll do it anyways. We just didn't think it would be this long of a process.
It took them 9 months to complete their first adoption. This time around, it's been almost a year and a half.
We've been told the end of February, the end of March, April, now we're told the end of May. We don't really have a lot of faith that will happen.
Their frustrations stem not only from their long wait time, but from thinking of the ones who are really suffering here.
I had a hard childhood myself, and so I see people like us, and we know so many friends that are so desperate to do this. And you see so many kids that really need it. We need our politicians to put their money where their mouths are. Get the funding to DCF. Our social worker is so overworked.
Foster parents have to go through training, background checks, show medical statements, ensure their home is a safe environment, then a home study that includes a minimum of 3 home visits. DCS tells me on average, the entire licensing process takes about 4 months. But when it comes to actually placing a child in a home, the agency says the one challenge they face is finding families who are willing to take in children of varying ages with varying needs or sibling groups. The more flexible a foster family, the quicker a child can be placed.
I have to believe it's worth it. I know it's worth it.
Stephanie Wade, RTV6.
Stephanie also asked how many people have applied and are waiting to become foster parents right now in Indiana. We've yet to hear back on those numbers. If you want more information on fostering or adoption, find this story on the IndyChannel.com or the RTV6 app.